Hello everyone, my name is Johnny Dragon. I am a circulation librarian at my local library, Mineral County in Hawthorne, Nevada. And today we're going to be unboxing a Steam to Go Get from Penworthy. As you can see behind me, we have different varieties and for all different scenarios, and like to building, to science, to math, to reading, to writing, all kinds of things you can do. And we recently got these ones in, and I'm going to show you one of them. Throw it down there. To this one we have a dinosaur Steam to Go kit, and this one's titled All About Dinosaurs Kit. And inside we have, let me get it open for you. These ones came in blue, which is different. A lot of the other ones are black. So right here we have jumbo dinosaurs. As you can see, this is the actual size compared to the box. This is like my hand. Well, I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, these are cool. I always liked dinosaurs when I was a kid, and monster trucks. I like monster trucks as well. But yeah, we got that right there. Right here we have a board game, Dinosaurs Escape. Looks like a volcano erupts and you gotta escape. That's cool. That's really cool. These are stickers, which I don't know if we'll put those in, but we might, because usually these will probably go after the first one goes out. And we also have the book that comes. We have a book is put into every Steam to Go kit to match the theme of the Steam to Go kit. And for this one, we have T-Rex teeth, which looks like it's about children who have dinosaur characteristics. Like this girl uses that's a bad example, I don't know how to pronounce. Oh, here we go, I can't pronounce, but they helped me. See, we got Ankylosaurus. And she's using her tail to knock the Hucky Puck into the goal. That's really cool. Thank gosh for that pronunciation, because I'm very bad at pronouncing. Here we got another example, girl using a Bronchosaurus for her to watch movies over tall people. That's cool. Yeah, and this gives you a list of everything inside the Steam to Go kit to let you know what was in it. So keep track of everything, and if anything goes missing, you can let us know and we'll figure that out. But yeah. And then that's the dinosaur one, which I think is actually pretty cool. And for this is like one of the bigger ones that I just want to show you real quick. One of the bigger kits. This one's called the Engineering Gears and Mazes kit. And inside this one, I'll get it open real quick. Inside this one we have a Rails Builder kit. It's like one of those marble contraptions that you like build and you can see where the marble goes. On the back it shows you a bunch of different varieties of ways you can do it. Try your own, just play with it and see what you create. Right here we have I had one of these. These were actually really cool. Machines in motion. You put them together, a bunch of gears, and you can, like, it's really cool. I can't explain it. You'd have to experience it for yourself, but these are really fun. I used to have a whole box of these. This is like a smaller version because I had so many. But, lost them over the years. And inside this one we have a book called Make This, which looks like a crafting book, stuff you can make at home. Let me find a good example page real quick. Here we go. We got a marble maze challenge, which you put in a shoebox and you create little obstacles. And my guess is that when you hold the shoebox, let's pretend this shoebox, and you try and do this to get the ball out of the other side like a maze, which is pretty cool. I used to have one of those made out of wood. I was never good at it because I'm not really good at that kind of stuff. But yeah, a bunch of games. You got skee ball, make at home with laundry bins. You got magnifying glass to see what different materials look like up close. Got freeze dinosaurs in ice to remelt them and see what it looks like. That's what, like, those movies where they show like a woolly mammoth and they're in the ice still. Yeah. It's also like the movie from Jurassic Park where they had like the sap thing and they get the mosquito and they get blood of a dinosaur, and that's how Jurassic Park came to be. But yeah. So these are just a few examples of the Steam to Go kits we have at Mineral County Library. As you can see, there's a bunch behind me. Free to check them out. And then there you go.